I hope you're doing well today. Listen, I wanted to update you on something brand new that's specific to the mid-Atlantic area of the United States. So if you're other places, this probably doesn't apply to you. But most people realize we've had the Key Bridge here in Maryland damaged, actually completely obliterated. So the federal government has determined that this area is a disaster zone. So if you have a business in this area, anywhere really more or less in the mid-Atlantic area, there's many counties in several states would qualify for this special loan. It's called an EIDL loan, or we call it an EIDL loan, economic injury loan. And if you remember during COVID, this was available to everybody nationwide. Right now, it is available to people affected by this Key Bridge collapse, and that would be several states in the mid-Atlantic area: Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, Delaware, those people in those areas. So what is it? And what is it something that's worthwhile for you to take a look at? It could be an EIDL loan is a 30-year loan. Now it's a loan, not a line of credit, right? So it's a loan. And it's 30 years at a 4% interest rate, which is actually fantastic right now. Because you could put the money into a money market account right now and get probably 5% on it, even if you just sat on the money and didn't use it. So it's a 30-year loan. There's a lot of rules about it, but it can be something that makes sense. If you want to apply, you go right to the SBA website, sba.gov. And if you were involved in a PPP loan or an EIDL loan back in COVID, you actually already have an account there on their portal, and you can apply right there. You just upload some of your tax returns and some other information. I recommend it. I think it's going to take about an hour and a half for most people to fill all that out. If you have any thoughts that you might want this loan, I would recommend that you go ahead and apply for it. Like I said, it takes about an hour and a half to get that all applied for, and then they'll come back to you and say, okay, you qualified for X dollars. The max is $2 million. You don't ask for anything. They just come back to you and tell you you qualify for X. So if you've qualified for $1 million, they'll get back to you in 2 or 3 weeks, I would think. I'm saying I think because this is all brand new for this one disaster. And they would tell you you would qualify for $1 million, and then they would give you like a sliding scale on the portal where you can select how much you actually want to take. Or you can take nothing. So you're not committing to it. It's a very low cost way to get a loan. You can't use it for refinancing, and you can't use it to like expand, have a new location or anything like that. But it can make sense. If you want more details about it, feel free to give me a call. Have a great day.
Listen, I thank you so much for listening to these videos. I appreciate your time. You're always going to find that we're going to value your time at the Plack Group. If there's anything that I said in this video that sparked a question, here's what you can do. Either number one, you can subscribe to our email newsletter to stay informed and updated on all that's happening. You can follow the link that's just below this video. Number two, you can listen to our podcast. We have a podcast called The One Life Game Plan. We have lots of episodes available to stream now for business owners and high income earners. I think you're going to enjoy what's on there. And number three, you can follow me on social media. My name is Harry Plack. That's Plack. Our company is called the Plack Group, and you can reach us on LinkedIn, Facebook, or you can go to our website, plack.com. That's Plack, plack.com. Again, my name is Harry Plack. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.